Hi there, I'm Gray Buck, Major League Fishing Pro, and today I want to talk to you about hydrologic products, and this is called AquaSplash Blue SC. And what this is a super concentrated pond dye. This is the black version, it also comes in blue, and what you do with this is you apply it to your pond and it tints it, so you'll give you this nice dark appealing look. If you go with black, gives you more of that golf course pond color when you go with a nice blue. So all depending on your preference, you can go blue or black, and you can dye it, and what this does is helps prevent light penetration into the water. So with you get less light penetration, you're going to have less algae growing, less plant growth, because it's blocking out those sun rays. So how you apply this is you take your lid off and you'll apply it into the water. You'll dump it in multiple spots throughout your pond. 1 quart treats up to 1 acre at 4 to 6 feet deep. So depending on how dark you want your pond or how deep it is, you're gonna have to adjust if you're doing a quart, half a quart, or you have to do more. So make sure you go to hydrologicproducts.com and check out AquaSplash Blue SC today.